Okay, today I'm going to make a video for you all about a couple of really useful free tools which I'm currently using. The first tool I'm going to talk about is actually a WordPress plugin, and it's just something I've been using for a long time, and it solved a problem I had absolutely ages ago, and it's called WP Hide Pages. Now what it actually does is pretty much what it sounds actually, and it hides pages within WordPress. Now I found this really useful because sometimes I wanted to create like a page on my website which was just, say, if I was putting a workshop on and I just wanted some quick information up on a page which was only meant to be visible to the people who are coming to the workshop, I'd create a page with all the details on it and email it out to everybody, but I didn't want everybody in the world accessing this page. I've got friends who are actually using this plugin, WP Hide Pages, to hide their download pages. So if you're creating like a simple product and you want to have a download page to deliver your product, obviously you don't want everybody accessing that page, so you want to hide the page. So this is a plugin which you can use to hide the page, not only from the search engines but also just from a page appearing in the menu bar on your blog. Obviously it's not going to protect the page, it's not going to protect it from, so someone could give the URL of the page out to somebody and they could still find it that way. But what it does is, in essence, it removes the page from the menu bar on your blog, and there's numerous reasons why this may be useful. So let me just show you how it works. Once you've installed it, it's absolutely free. You can just search for it within WordPress. We can create a new page. So let's just create let's just say add new. So I've got a page here. Okay. So let's just say now we wanted to create a new page on our website, but we didn't want it to appear in the kind of like main menu bar on our blog. We wanted to hide the page. Okay, so all we need to do is create the page as we normally would do, and then in the right hand bar here there's an extra option here. It says show normally everywhere, or you can hide the page listing. Okay, so you can hide it on the front page, or you can hide it everywhere. Okay, and then you can say keep in search results, or you can uncheck that and it won't even be in the search results. So if someone searches for it on your blog, they won't even see it. You can even disable all-in-one SEO, which I'd recommend, and then that page is completely hidden on your website. Like I said, people could still find it if somebody gave them the exact URL where to go to, but sometimes I just want to create extra content pages on my blog. I've got quite a few content pages on my blog that I just didn't want to appear in the main menu bar. So for instance, if you were doing let's say you were doing, you just wanted to give extra information out to your customers, and it was like a thank you page for an autoresponder might be an example. So if you've got an autoresponder like an opt-in form and someone puts their name and email address in and they click the submit button, you can actually have a customized page that people see as soon as they've opted in, and that's called a thank you page. Now you could post that thank you page on your blog, but you wouldn't necessarily want that thank you page to be in the menu, and this is what you can use to hide that page. So you can literally just say hide it and then publish the page, and then you can use that page as the thank you page for your autoresponder. And also if you're giving away a free gift with your autoresponder series, you're going to need another download page, and you can also create that and hide that again from your main your main pages on your site. So for instance, if I just created a new page, so I've called it new page test. So I've put download links. Let's pretend these are download files that somebody's going to get if they opt into my email list. I'm going to say show everywhere and then publish. So what this is actually going to do now is it's actually going to create a new page on my website. So if we actually go to my main website now, this page will actually be visible in the main menu. So you can see here we've now got a page in the top navigation which says new page test. That's not very great. I still want to have the page, so if we click on the page, we can see here that's the text we just typed in. So we still want the page, but we don't want it to appear here in the top navigation menu. So all we need to do is click on hide everywhere. Okay, I'm going to click update. just take a little while for it to refresh. And then let's just refresh this page now. There we go. So we still actually have the page, but as you can see, it's not now here in the top menu. It's disappeared. But we still actually have the address of the page, which we can give out in an email, or we can use this as our autoresponder thank you page. So that's how you can hide a page within WordPress. Really, really useful. Like I said, I've been using that plugin for quite a while now. The second thing I want to show you today is a fantastic free resource by another marketer actually, and it's for creating graphics for sales pages. It's at the URL freegraphicscreator.com. You come here and they give you several options here. You can create, there's a headline creator, a buy now button creator, there's a guarantee creator, there's quite a few things here. But you may have been on sales pages before and seen really fancy headlines, and you may have wondered how they did that. So if we just click on headline creator, let's just launch the wizard. And this brings you through to another page. Let me just refresh the page there. Okay, it's not, oh yep, it's working, just taking a little while to work. Okay, so we've got lots of different styles of, so let's just see, we've got okay, so we've got different styles of headline, so as you can see here, and I can actually go in and actually edit this any way I want. Okay, I can actually change the style as well. I can change the color. So the main copy, I could make the main copy purple if I wanted to. And then you can actually save the entire headline as a JPEG image straight to your computer. So this is really good if you want to create really nice looking headlines, which you couldn't do normally just using normal HTML. You can actually save these headlines as JPEG images and then insert them into your blog, insert them into your sales page. Really, really good little resource that. Let me just show you so there's even things like let me just stop that video, a buy now button creator. Okay, so we've got a buy now button, so we've got different types of style we can create. So we can say, I actually quite like this one here, and we can say, we can change the text again. So I could say today only, $27 or whatever it's going to cost. And we can also change the text at the bottom, so we can completely customize this buy now button or add to cart button and then save it as a JPEG again. We can save we can change the buttons here, it's pay by, or it's a free offer, or it's PayPal only. We can change the type of button as well, and we can even say, you know, get it now. And then we can save that as our very own buy now button as a JPEG image. And they've also got like a guarantee creator, so you know you can actually, so there's a headline creator, there's a buy now button creator, and there's also a guarantee, so you can create those guarantee boxes for sales pages as well. Really cool little resource this, quite often use it, you know, especially when I'm creating sales pages, or I just want to create a really, really simple some simple sales copy to stick on my blog. So this is how I actually create these graphics. Just thought I'd share that with you, just a couple of really, really simple useful resources that I use. If you've got any comments or you know of any other similar products to this, please comment below the video. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and if you want to see more stuff like this, I'd be really interested to know. Just comment below the video, and I'll see you next time.